Today I bring you Hot Air Balloon Velvet Flower Stitching Guide. For the convenience of everyone watching, the embroidery thread in the video is not the original embroidery thread. You need to refer to the sewing and embroidery process. Before embroidering, we draw the positions of the velvet flowers. Try to be as specific as possible, so as not to be confused. Then we take an auxiliary needle and insert it into the red dot and make an auxiliary stitch vertically on line. Then we use another needle from one needle and enter needle 2. Tighten it a little during the process so that the pattern of the flower will be tighter. From 3, enter needle at 2. From 5, enter 6 stitches. From 7, out and in, enter needle into 8. Next, we need to change to a lighter color thread. You can use the needle to assist in finding the position. From 9, insert the needle and insert the 10. From 11, enter needle into 12. From 13, insert needle into 14. After embroidery, we will remove the auxiliary needle. Then we'll take out the needle from 15. After tightening, we insert the needle into 16. The center part is done. Next, we start to embroider the velvet part. Remember to change the thread. Then we exit from 17. Then enter needle into 18. Use the needle to assist in pulling apart. Find the point below 19. From 19, and enter 20. From 21, and enter 22. Then we take out the needle from 23, and enter 24. From 25. Finally, enter needle 26. The velvet flower needle type is completed. Thank you for watching. I make hopes you are the same as us. The wonderful design of sewing and embroidery. See you next time.